Nitie luoro ni jotije mag kaontis nyalo rem yudo kony mag thieth kokalo e okumba mar thieth mar SHA kaluwore gi deko ochwalo omenda ne sirikal mag kaontis. Okang' ma kama omiyo riwruok mar Governors COG oromo kendo pedho paro mar timo lokruok e chike matayo SHA.
Our disbursement will come after 9. By the time we remit, it will be around 17th. We will not remit less money for SHA simply because the date passed. But for the time when they have not been able to get our remittance, our people will be locked out. It is as if we have a date with when we have to get sick.
It also has to be very clear in that particular legislation. Because you see, they have a whole thing, the one for the digital health. But there's nowhere that talks about what happens when there's no connectivity. What is going to happen one day if they decide to shut down the internet?
Jatend migawo mar thieth